Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you this jacket's drafting, how you can make this. So there are two methods. I am showing you the first one. For this you will need around 2.5 or 3 meters of fabric. So from the first one, with the half meters of fabric, we will make the top part. The back part will be the same. I am showing you the front part of this top. So just take around half meters of fabric and fold it from the middle. Now as usual, we'll mark the shoulder length, half of your shoulder length, then neckline. Depth of your neckline should be whatever the neckline of your kurti, same will be the jacket's neckline also. Now just draw reference lines and make your neckline, your armhole. It's around 7 inches, 7.5 inches, whatever your measurements are. Just draw these lines and measure the neckline from your kurti and exactly the same length you want here also. Make a round neck like this and draw your armhole, the front side of your armhole. You can draw it directly on a 4-layered fabric and cut the back part first, then you can separate the pieces and make the front part. So here measure the waist length and the fourth part of your waist. Just mark it here, and it should be a bit loose, around 1 or 2 inches loose you can put it, because it's a jacket. Now give a straight line to your waistline like this, and we will cut this out. Now from the sides you need to leave around 1 inch for a stitching purpose, and then cut this. So this is the normal bodice part which we will need to make the front side of your jacket. Now here's the tricky part. You need to make this curve from the neckline till the waistline like this. If you want, you can just take around half inches from the middle of this neckline and waistline point, and then take that reference point and make a curve like this. Now we will cut this out. So these are the two pieces we'll get for the top front side of your jacket. Now you need to give a hemming to this part. For that you need to cut a long strip of around 2 inches wide and then add it to your neckline till the bottom of your waistline. To join these two parts, you need to add either hooks or any decorative or fabric buttons to the top and bottom part of this curve. Now to make the bottom flare of your jacket, you can either take this 2 meters of fabric and fold it from the middle. Now measure the waistline after joining the front and back part of your top pattern. Just calculate the size of your waist, and then here mark the waistline and give a slanting line. Whatever flare you have to your fabric, just give that much, and then cut this out. So this will give a A-line look to your jacket. Now give hemming to both the sides of your bottom pattern by adding around 1 inches of a strip on both the sides, and then just fold it like this so that the cut will be in the middle, and then you need to add the front and back part. First you need to join them and then attach it in your bottom pattern. So this is the first easy method you can try for your flared jacket. Now let's see the another method which we can try for the long flared jacket. For that I'll use the circular pattern method. So for that you first need to join the front and back part of your top pattern, and then you need to measure the waistline, whatever you are having. You need to make the radius of that. So just take around 2 meters of fabric, fold it from the middle 2 times to form a square. Let me show you from the wrong side. So just fold it, and to calculate the radius I already told you in my previous videos, but still I'm telling you again. So from this folded side, just calculate the waistline, whatever you are having. Suppose you are having around 35 inches of your waist. So you need to divide it by 2 into pi. So the value of pi, as you all know, 35 divided by 2 into 3.14. So that will give 6.28. So we'll divide it and we'll get a result of 5.57. So you can say this 5.6. So our radius is 5.6 inches. So this is the easiest method to calculate any radius, whether you are making the flattered sleeve or circular skirt. You can try this method out. Now from this folded side, just measure 5.6 inches and make a mark. So likewise you need to calculate this from the corner in a circular way and give those points like this. Now join these points, and now from here you need to measure the length of your jacket, as it's a floor length jacket. So measure the length till the ankle. Now join these points in a circular way like this and cut this out. So these are the 2 ways from which you can make your flared jacket. So here you need to attach the top part of your jacket, and we need to cut this from the middle. So just trace a line in the middle, the center point of this circle, and just cut this out. Then you need to hem this part. For that you need to add around 1.5 inches wider strip. The length should be the length of this jacket's bottom part, and you need to add it as you don't want to lose the width of your waist. The radius is perfect. So how you can do it? First you need to hem the strip from both the side, and then fold it from the middle and insert this cutted part inside the strip of the folded part, and then just give a stitch. So that will attach the strip too. So this is the one thing which you can do by adding it separately, the strips, or else you can just join the top and bottom part of your jacket and then give a long strip by adding it together by one time in your top and bottom part of your jacket. This is having a flattered sleeve, which I already shown a video about that, so you can just refer that and make your flattered sleeve and add it to your jacket. So I hope you understood this session very well. If you still have any doubt, please comment down below, and if you find this video a bit useful, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates. See you in the next video.